Lagos to install CCTV cameras at bus stops for security. Hey there! Welcome to TechGist, where we bring you latest updates in Africa's tech space. I'm your host, Datom George. Let's go! MultiChoice Nigerian subscribers declined to 8.1 million, signifying a loss for the company. Starlink goes live in Sierra Leone 1 year after receiving license. Lagos to install CCTV cameras at bus stops for security. African entertainment giant MultiChoice has faced a challenging period as it reported a significant loss driven by a decline in its Nigerian subscriber base. The number of subscribers in Nigeria dropped to 8.1 million, contributing to the financial strain on the company. According to reports, MultiChoice also repatriated $184 million from Nigeria over the past year. This decline in subscribers is partly attributed to the economic challenges in Nigeria and increased competition from other streaming services. But despite these hurdles, MultiChoice remains committed to the market and is strategizing to regain its footing. Exciting news for Sierra Leone. Starlink, the satellite internet service by SpaceX, has officially gone live in the country a year after receiving its license. This marks a significant milestone in improving internet connectivity in Sierra Leone, where many areas have struggled with unreliable or non-existent internet service. With Starlink's entry, residents can expect high-speed internet access, which is crucial for everything from education to business operations. This development is set to transform Sierra Leone's digital landscape, bringing more opportunities for growth and development. In a bid to enhance security, the Lagos state government has announced plans to install CCTV cameras at bus stops across the city. This initiative is part of a 2-year plan aimed at improving safety and monitoring at key transport hubs. The installation of CCTV cameras is expected to deter criminal activities, ensure safer commuting for residents, and assist law enforcement agencies in maintaining public order. This move underscores Lagos' commitment to creating a safer and more secure environment for its citizens. That's all for today on TechGist. Africa's tech scene is filled with innovation and change, and Tech Fashion is here to keep you in the loop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Follow us on all our social media platforms and visit our website at www.techfashion.com for more in-depth updates. I'm Datom George, and I'll see you on the next episode of TechGist. Stay innovative. Bye-bye.